Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Let's Ask Tarot, and this is going to be the second part of your secret crush video, or you can say your secret admirer video. So if you haven't watched the first part or the first video about it, make sure you will check it out. And today we are going to discuss more details about them to find out more things. And we have two piles here. First pile is this one, second pile is this one. So you can intuitively choose whichever cards call your name. And if you are too much confused, then I also have one option for you. I also have these two hair clips here, so you can choose with them if you are too much confused which one to choose. And this is going to be the first pile, this is going to be the second pile, and yeah, I will start with the first pile here, and second pile I will meet you at your reading. Hey pile number 1, so if you have choose this hair clip or if you choose this card, this is going to be your reading. And let's see. So you have the Sun card. This is a very good card to start with. I will keep it right here. And with this Sun card, I would like to share some extra messages that this person can be either a Leo, maybe you are a Leo or they are a Leo. It can be that they have a Leo Sun here or Leo Moon, but it's not necessary. But let's see. And if you haven't checked out the first video about your crush, make sure you check it out to actually understand the video more good way. We have here the Queen of Wands, and we have here the Nine of Wands. So it can be that your secret crush or your crush in general, it can be that this person is a very strong person because they actually have endured a lot, they have suffered a lot, and today they are in a position where they are satisfied with themselves or where they deserve to be. So this is actually a very hardworking person, I feel like, and even if they are a student, they are very hardworking. We have Eight of Wands. So this person is very active, and I'm also feeling like very straightforward. And if like for some of you, I feel like this person may work in the fashion industry, or maybe a fashion designer or a blogger or something to do with fashion or beauty or clothes, like that. Because because Queen of Wands is a very fashionable person and very straightforward and very charming and fiery nature. So I can see that we like whoever this person is, they are very straightforward and very fiery and charming energy they have. We also have here the King of Pentacles. So for some of you, I feel like that you are actually trying to manifest this person here with this Four of Cups, because I feel like that either it can be your energy that you work as a fashion or beauty blogger or in the fashion industry or something to do with clothes or makeup, and either you or them actually have your eyes on this person. But I feel like more of it's you, that you actually have an eye on this person. But it can be that you don't know that this person also feels the same for you, because we also have here the Ace of Wands. So it can be that you actually like them, but you are afraid to confess your feelings to them. But you actually don't know that they hold the same feelings as you. We also have here the Magician, so it actually says that either, I'm really sorry if there's any background noise, because my house is right beside the main road. So I'm really sorry if any noise is coming here. But as I was saying, that either you or them are actually, it can be that both of you are manifesting each other. You both are praying or trying to attract each other, but are actually afraid to tell your decision or your confession to each other. For some of you, I feel like that it can be someone from your friend groups, or someone, I don't know why, but for some of you, I feel like that this can be one of your relative. Like maybe you have a crush on your cousin. I don't know why, but somehow this coming in. And we actually have here the Five of Wands and the Three of Swords. So I feel like that some of you who are in this like cousin or relative type situation, it can be that you guys are actually afraid to let each other know about your feelings, or even if you guys know about each other feelings, you guys are actually afraid that you may be involved in some kind of fighting or some kind of like quarrel or trouble, and may end up breaking each other's heart or breaking this relationship or this bond. So that's why it can be that you guys like, even if you have the feelings, even if you want to confess, you are not able to do it, or it can be that they are not able to do it. And if you are not in this um, cousin or related type situation, it can be that either you or your person, maybe you guys know each other, but it can be that you guys are maybe friends, but you guys are afraid that one of you may reject each other, or you may be involved in some kind of trouble with each other, and are actually afraid that you guys may be involved in some kind of trouble or some kind of quarrel. That's why you guys are not able to confess each other, and you guys are actually waiting for a good timing where you guys will confess to each other. We have here the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, that's right, because I can understand here. So we have the Emperor here. So for some of you, your father may be involved in some way, or it can be that you guys are afraid of your father, that your father or maybe someone dominant or like authoritative position in your family or in your society, may, if they find out about it, for you guys will be in trouble. And we also have Two of Pentacles, so it can be that both of you are actually waiting to settle yourself career wise or finance wise. And once you guys are like, once you guys make like get a job, or when you are like, when you will financial, like you will gain the financial freedom, then you will confess to each other. And yeah, let's see some of their messages if they want to say something. Okay, we have quite a few here. So first we have, I want to know what is love. So it can be that for some of you, you guys are actually exploring this feeling, and actually you guys are thinking that what is this like curiosity or this feeling. And you guys may think that it's not love, but later may find out that you guys actually fall in for each other. We have, when you think of your forever now, do you think of me? So we have here, cause I love you. So they want to say I love you to you. We have you have stolen my heart away. And we have hate to see with someone new. So it can be that maybe you guys are not sure about each other, that even if this person likes me or not, you guys maybe think like that, and you are now thinking about finding someone new, or investing your energy in someone new, and this person may feel jealous of it, or they are actually feeling jealous of it, that you are not noticing them that much now, you are not giving them attention that much now. So yeah, these were the messages for you, and I hope that I was able to help you, pile number one. And yeah, I will meet you at your next reading. Please take care. Okay, pile number one. So if you choose this card or this clip, then this is your reading. I'm gonna put it right here, and we have the moon. So it can be that you guys are not sure, or you guys don't know about this person yet, and yeah, let's find out more about them. And if you haven't checked the first video, make sure you check it out. We have Nine of Pentacles here, and back of the deck we have Page of Pentacles. So it can be someone who is although it's a very stable card or talks about stability, but I feel like that with the Page of Pentacles, so with the Page of Pentacles, I feel like that this person can be someone who is just starting or about to start their career, or their finance, and this person wants to be stable, or for some of you this person is actually very much stable, and they are very like freedom lover, or you can say that they like their freedom very much, even though we don't have that much like we don't have wands card here, but still I'm getting Sagittarius vibe. So it can be that some of you are Sagittarius here, or maybe your person is a Sagittarius. And back of the deck we have here Two of Cups. Okay, so I feel like that both of you know each other. It can be that one of your like love interest, or someone you have a crush on. It can be that, but you guys are actually very much confused that whether this person also loves me or not, or whether this person also has some mutual feelings for me or not. But I do see that you guys have feelings for each other, because we have Two of Cups and the Lovers here. So you guys are actually very much indulged in each other, but can be that afraid to show each other your feelings. We also have here Three of Cups. So it can be someone from your friend group, or someone you know. It can be someone in your society. With this Hierophant, for some of you, I feel like that this can be someone like senior from you, maybe someone senior in your college or school, or someone senior in your society. I don't know why, but with this Hierophant and this Knight of Swords, I'm also feeling like a teacher and student dynamic or concept here. So it can be that you have a crush on your teacher, or maybe they like you, or some sort of that. But it can be. But for some of you with this Page of Wands, this can also be a new person whom you don't know, or who can be like new to your community, or new to your friend group, and someone who has a very charming personality, someone who isn't afraid, and like very brave. And I'm sorry if any kind of background noise is there. And we also have Lovers here. So it can be that you guys are attracting someone from your soul family, or your like it can be someone in your soulmate. If we talk about zodiac signs, we have Gemini here. Gemini and fire sign, and in fire sign Sagittarius is very like dominating here. We also have water signs, and even though we have here air signs, but it's very low. And I don't know why, but I'm also feeling like it can be someone like who works with the law, either lawyer, or it can also be a police officer or some kind of general position. And I also feel like that it can be someone from like army or like air force. But whoever this person is, they have high morals, or they have a lot of experience about life. And I feel like that this can be someone whom you always go to for advices or knowledges, because this person is very much knowledgeable or highly acknowledged by everyone. And it's also for some of you, it can be like if they are older than you, they are a bit mature, and if they are a bit younger, like younger than you, or can be like the same age of you, then they are very cheerful and likes to like party or go to having for fun or hangouts with their friends very much. And yeah, let's see what they have to say to you. Okay. With this eagle or hawk here, I feel like that they have a very good like eyesight. So is that the moment our eyes met, I know it was you. So for some of you, you have seen this person or you have met this person, and it I'm also feeling like a love at first sight here. So for some of you or for them, it was a love at first sight. And then we have cannot hide this feeling anymore. So this person is going to confess to you soon. And let me know in the comments if you like if this person confesses to you. We also have seeing you smile makes my whole day better. So this person loves to see you smile, or actually loves when you smile. We have love at first sight here. We have one extra message here. Okay, we have every little thing you do, I adore it. So it can be that you guys send each other gifts. We also have coming soon. So this person is going to confess their feeling to you very soon. So congratulations, pile 2, that and I also feel like this is a very amazing person or someone very loyal. So I hope that you guys will be happy with them, and whether to choose them or not as your partner is your own free will. But whoever this person is, they love you very much. And yeah, this was your reading pile number 2. If you like it, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment me if this person confesses to you or not. And yeah, I will meet you at your next reading. Please take care.